Welcome to JT Hannah's Kitchen, serving East Tennessee since 1893. Let's go inside and check JT Hannah's out. Excuse me. Okay, let's take a look at the JT Hannah's menu. As you open the menu, it tells a little story about JT Hannah's warehouse and kitchen. And this is what they have to offer at the restaurant, starting with appetizers. And if you want to have a closer look, just pause and read it up close. But they have a right big selection of appetizers. Soups and salads. Have burgers. I noticed they have one burger on here called the Killing Me Burger. And this is a full pound Angus burger for $12.99. And then they have some pasta dishes. Some deluxe sandwiches. Got a few chicken dishes. And this is some of JT Hannah's specialties. Have a few seafood dishes. And then on the very back of the menu, they have the desserts. And also the sides that are available. And they have Coca-Cola products here also. This is the kids menu here at JT Hannah's for ages 10 and under. One thing I like about JT Hannah's, when you get a glass of tea, they bring you a glass of tea. Let's take a walk around JT Hannah's and let you see what it looks like.
Get more enjoyment from your office.
They also have another little area for dining. Hello. All right, come on, baby. They really have this place fixed up nice. It's got that old warehouse store feel to it.
food is here.
Put the thing there.
Ooh, that looks delicious. It looks right here, so I'm gonna get you
Need anything else?
I think that'll be good.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, I ordered the chicken fried chicken this time, and normally I get the grilled chicken, whether it be in a salad or sandwich or the platter. But I saw a review and somebody was going on about the chicken fried chicken, so I thought I'd try it. Dave, what do you have?
I ended up getting a hamburger steak with the gravy and onions, mashed potatoes with gravy, and onion rings.
Carly, what did you get?
I got the applesauce and popcorn shrimp.
Popcorn shrimp? All right. Let's all dig in and see how it is.
Okay, we got our check. The total was $34.02. That was for a country fried chicken meal, a chopped steak meal, and a kid's meal, and one sweet tea.
Well, that was another good meal at JT Hannah's. David, how did you enjoy yours?
My hamburger steak was really good. Had a lot of gravy and onions on it, and my onion rings, they were really good and had a good size. It was very big.
Yeah, they were huge. Do you recommend JT Hannah's?
I do. I always enjoy coming here, and like I said, tonight's the first time we've actually done a vlog here, and hope everybody enjoyed the video. And how did you enjoy your meal?
I enjoyed mine. I tried something different. Typically I get some sort of grilled chicken here, and I did the chicken fried chicken, and it was great. It had the flavor was really good. A little bit of a kick in the seasoning, which, you know, I like spicy and I like kick, so I thought it was great. And I definitely recommend it just for the reason that every single time we come here, it's good. And you know how my orders are sometimes. I'm very picky in my specific orders, and they always have it right, they never mess it up, and the food's delicious. So I definitely recommend you checking out JT Hannah's next time you're in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee.
How'd you enjoy your popcorn shrimp?
Loved it.
Loved it?
Plus, I don't usually get that.
I know, I was surprised.
Well,
It was good.
until next time, everyone, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to go to the page and give that thing a like. Also, if you hadn't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. And until next time, y'all take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.